How to change TikTok account from personal to business. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok account from personal to business. So first is, of course, pull up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in into your TikTok personal account. Now, at the lower right, just simply access profile. And then at the top right, just simply tap on the three lines. And then go into settings and privacy. Now, before you can switch between personal to business, you've got to verify everything that you can onto your business account first. Once you get here, scroll down and then choose on account. From account, below verification, choose on business verification. Now, you're going to have to undergo this process first. You build trust with your audience, get VIP access. You simply tap this tick on the zero on the circle highlighted orange and then choose on get started. Now follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to fully verify your business account and you should be able to switch between personal to business in no time. And that's how you change TikTok account from personal to business.